what I'm going to show you, and this is after confirmation with ex-military and Navy radio frequency expert that's been employed and worked for the Armed Forces and the Navy, doing top high technology programs, some of them related to similar frequencies to what you'll see here. Now, we know without a shadow of a doubt these are the pieces of equipment that they can use to manipulate the weather and a host of other reasons. But here we are. I'm going to show you the equipment that was used, and I'm going to show you the effect in the atmosphere, both in real photo satellites movement and also in infrared. Firstly, let's look at the infrared one. So let's progress this. That's the section there. It's hit. It's heated up and heated up. The black colour means the heating. That's not a factory there. It's not industry. It's actually electromagnetic wavelengths in exactly this position here. So you can see the heating taking place. Now what I'm going to do, we'll look at it in actual real photographic. So here it is in real time from a satellite, which is visible. So you can see there it increases, the heat has come across that section there and produced the cloud. Now interestingly, I'm going to speed it up now, this is exactly, not similar, but exactly the cloud formation reaction that we saw in the Texas flooding. So there you go. Let me speed it up even more. It goes dark at night time, but you can see in the daytime. Right, there we go. Bang, bang, bang. Those are electromagnetic forcing. Also on the islands where the NEXRADs are happening at the same time. So one last time there. There we go. I'll show you the position of these. They're right up on a hill. Yes, I know, before the irradiate shields come on, some of these are radio frequency transmitters for armed forces, etc., etc., local radio stations. But the ionizer towers, they do produce the frequencies required to do weatherman modification. And some of those there, the singular poles. Radio stations use slightly different wavelengths. But you can see here single one-off pin poles, which are ironically the same that are on the ends of magnetrons from microwaves. And there you go, there's the others, single one pillars. By the way, these wires that you see also form part of the transmission, so they are used to increase the techniques of the radio waves which are produced. But I assure you, there is no doubt whatsoever that these frequencies can be used for weather modification. So we come out of Google Earth and let's have a look at the position exactly where this was in relation to those cloud formations. That is exactly the place. When you see it move across slightly, these beams can be put into the atmosphere higher up, quite a few miles high, the same techniques that HARP uses, and it can be transferred across the atmosphere. But obviously if the satellite is immediately above them, then it will show that when they point up and modify the clouds, it will show directly above it. But if the satellite's on the angle, it will show slightly north, or whatever angle the satellite is on the Earth, where it's slightly below or above. I think in this case the satellite is just slightly below where this is, but that is exactly the position here where all this modification was taking place. There it is. There's Italy. This is the position that it took place.